How you doing, guys? Chris here from Divergent Drones. Well, the Ingenuity drone is all charged up and ready to perform its 10th flight to carry on the mission of exploring Mars. Here you see the Ingenuity drone standing proud after performing its 9th flight, its longest and furthest flight yet, and it's proven itself to be very useful for the Perseverance rover. And for Ingenuity's 10th flight, this is the route that it's going to take over the rough terrain. With the flight data provided by the Ingenuity drone, the Perseverance rover should finish maneuvering to its new position so it can uncase its sample extracting probe. It'll take Perseverance about 11 days to collect a sample. So today's flight data will end up helping the Perseverance rover in about 2 weeks when it moves again. But while we wait, we can look at these stunning images that Ingenuity has provided for us from its 9th flight. There is no doubt that Ingenuity will be an enduring part of the Mars mission from here on out. Stay tuned for more updates. I'm sure there's more to come. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.